Hi guys, it's me Jackie coming back with another video. It's a reversible bustier, so this is how it looks like in the front. Reverse. So what you'll need is two different colored fabric. I use old jeans, but you can use any fabric material you want. And if you want the reversible effect, you will need like two different colors. So these are two old jeans that I got from my closet. So I find it hard to explain how to make the pattern, so I just made the pattern myself and then made them digitally, so you guys can just download it down below. I'll put the link down below and you can print the pattern.
So, if you guys wondering why my lip is like that, I'm drinking orange juice.
So first, you guys have to put seam on that pattern I gave you. For mine, I use half an inch, but you guys can use any desired seam you want. So next, you'll need to cut those patterns and then lay it on top of your fabric and then pin it. So by now you should have 8 pattern pieces for each color. So you have 16 pieces. So if you think you don't have all of them, just try to like recheck everything, and if you don't understand, try to like comment down below or message me. Then I'll try to comment back as soon as possible so you guys will understand how to make this. So this is how you will combine them together. So the pattern that I gave you, 1 and 2 is the front and 3 and 4 is in the back. And try to pin them together so you don't get confused when you are sewing them together now. And there you go, you have one side done, and just do the same process you did in the first one to the other side. What you'll need to do next is iron the seams so it will be flat on the other side as well. You don't have to, but I'm gonna put rigilene on mine so you can sew this. So this is how it looks like in the front, and this is how it looks like in the back. And as you can see, it gives more stiffness on the fabric, and it's kind of doing the curve, but that's okay. So as you can see, it's a little curve, but if you snap this into your body, it will just like snap it easily. So it will look like this, and what we're gonna do next is to flip this like that, and like this. We will sew all around it except this middle area. sewing, this is how it will look like. I know it's messy, but we'll hide all that messiness inside later. So what we'll do is we left this part open, and what we'll need to do is just pull that out. Next, you will need eyelets and hammer. Mark all the points where you're gonna put all your eyelets, then make a hole on it. So now we're done. Get like 2 yards of ribbon and then tie it like a shoelace in the back. So thank you guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.